Hello, if you're new to the channel, this is called Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been doing driver's ed in North America for about 21 years. So the information I'm going to give you is definitely going to prepare you for your DMV test or road test. And toward the end, if you find this of value, subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and get it. We're going to be reversing out of a parking lot. So even though I have a backup camera, and you heard the car coming by, even though I have a backup camera, you always want to look over your shoulder. Don't assume that you can see everything. There's also another white vehicle coming in. So you want to cover your brake and take your time. There's another vehicle coming in also. So this is a great teachable moment. And you want to look around and be safe. So I'm covering my brake, going back slowly, always looking around and not trusting that backup camera. So I'm turning hand over hand, I'm looking around, and I'm backing up small. Always teach my students to back up small. So we're in a private driveway. So I want to make a left-hand turn. I have to yield and check, left, right, and left, and then I roll down gently. Always look where you want to go. On your DMV test or road test, your DMV tester or road tester will look for you to yield to oncoming traffic, to be aware of what's going on. So the weather's really bad today, so I'm just going to take my time, and it's expected if you're going to be taking your DMV test or road test in really bad weather. You want to take your time. You want to be patient. So I'm going up to the edge of the road. Again, we are the private road. The main road has the right of way. I'm going to be making a right-hand turn. Rules of the right of way are one of the areas where students fail their road test. There's major confusion. So I'm going down to the edge. I'm checking my traffic, and I come to a complete stop. I'm in the right lane because I want to make a right turn. If I need to be in the left lane, then I would need to make a left-hand turn. This car is blocking my view, so I want to move forward. I don't think they meant to do that, but you always want to be aware. So my field of vision is open, my first lane is open, and then I turn. So I'm accelerating, I'm in the first lane. Even though the speed limit is 50 miles an hour, the weather does not really dictate that. Every state, every province has different rules. Where I'm from, we have the basic speed law. You want to drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable for the conditions on the road. So I'm at about 46 miles an hour. We have construction workers working. We have really bad weather. So your DMV tester or road tester will make allowances for the weather. And because of the coronavirus, they may reduce some of the turns that you have. Usually the test takes about 45 minutes. You have to make a series of right turns, left turns, lane changing, merging on and off the freeway. So I'm at 45 miles an hour. They're at about 53 miles an hour. And it's funny that we say that because the police are going back the other way. So I'm maintaining 46 miles an hour. I see the intersection ahead of me. You never want to run yellow lights, because in the testing situation, you're going to force the road tester, the DMV tester, to either fail you or it's going to put you in a dangerous situation. So you don't want to give up any points or any situations. So I'm going to go ahead and get us over one lane to the left because I see a vehicle that is facing me and I think the truck driver is backing in. So I looked over my shoulder, I checked my blind spots, so I'm maintaining safe speed. Always be courteous to other drivers. It pays off. So you just want to take your time. You want to be ready for any unusual situation such as that truck, and just be safe. So I'm still at about 46 miles an hour. And I know from my experience testing students, preparing for the test, your DMV tester or road tester will prefer that you're at a constant speed instead of going 50, then 41, then 50, then 41. Maintain a good speed window within 1 or 2 miles an hour of just under the speed limit. That will really impress the DMV tester or road tester, and they'll say, wow, you have really good speed control. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a lane change to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and I'm in the lane, and then I cancel my blinker. So the weather's starting to clear up a little bit, but it's still wet out here, and it's still very dangerous. So I'm off the gas, I'm coasting, I'm gradually slowing down, and if you have good speed control, you'll make most lights, and you want to be safe. So I'm getting up into traffic again. I want to be about 4 cars from the vehicle in front of me, scanning the intersection, and taking my time. So you always want to keep good distance. Let's kind of talk about the conclusion here. I'm a state certified instructor. I need you to subscribe to my channel, Driving with Miles. There's new content being uploaded daily. You're going to get great information and prepare you for your DMV test or road test. We talk about road test preparation, driving preparation. So I just wanted to say thank you for the support, and I look forward to hearing from you guys again soon. Thank you.